This is a review of the collapsible hose from Ag X Presents Garden Product Reviews. We've got a 50-foot collapsible hose here. It definitely is a convenient item for urban gardening in a backpack. This is part of the gear review. We're doing a whole series, but it collapses into just a small bit, and but stretches out once the water goes in to be a full-size hose. I wouldn't call it heavy duty, so you don't want to be like stepping on it or having traffic roll over it, but it is a necessary and handy item for gardens that don't have a hose yet. Like maybe it's a new garden, or the people that are living there are new or remodeling or something. So very convenient. That way, I have a product link in the description of the video below that has I don't know if it's this exact model, but it comes with a valve on it. The one that you'll be getting actually comes with a bag, which is nice, because I don't have a bag. I have to use just a shopping bag, which is not that nice, and leaks and whatnot, because there's always going to be water coming out. It's hard to drain it all out. The nozzle's okay. It's got a sort of a small orifice that once you can get it a little bit of a sharper stream just with the valve that it comes with. The one that you'll be getting in the link below has a nozzle that comes with it. So it's a trigger nozzle with 9 adjustable settings. So because you want to have one for sort of shower for watering plants that you just planted, but you also want to have the jet stream for cleaning the ground and whatnot, cracks in between bricks and pavers. This is a cute little U.S. made by veterans nozzle that is very tidy and convenient. Doesn't take up a lot of space. If you're backpack gardening like I am in New York City and Brooklyn, you can have this nozzle just in your backpack or in the bag with your collapsible garden hose, which I highly recommend. I've used it. When have I not used it? I'm trying to even think. Very often. And it's lasted, I think this is the second season, maybe even third. Some people step on them and they break and blow out, and you just have to get a new one, but there's no really way to repair them, which is unfortunate, but they are super convenient. And so check that out and get one for yourself. Fits in the large pocket of the Jansport Odyssey 39 backpack. See you in the next product review.